National Educator.
Hello learners, welcome to today's lesson, Primary Science Revision Lesson 3. Today we are going to discuss about how to answer questions in science. But before we go on to the questions themselves, we want first to discuss about how are you going to answer these questions. Questions come in different forms. We have a question which needs you to describe. We have a question which needs you to give a detailed information. We have a question which have a learner to ask or to answer, state and give the reasons of what the question requires. So when we discuss on these questions, you must first ensure that you read the question and understand the question before you answer any question given. Ensure that you master the key points of a question before answering any question in a given exam. First, we look at question number 1. The question number 1 is asking, which one of the following parts of a human digestive system is correctly matched to its function? This question requires a learner to give the key words. Can you first make sure that you note down the key words of the question? The key words of the questions is parts, human digestive, and what we call correctly. That is a word. Those are the words which need to be illustrated and given the meaning of those words. The skill which the question is testing is the learner's ability to read and interpret the question, hence matching the organ to its function. Not just answering the question asked, but are you able to interpret the question asked? That is what the learner must always learn to do. We have the common mistakes that the learners do when they are answering a certain question given. For example, in this kind of question, we have a mistake which the learner normally do. Failure to relate the part to the function and where the food group is digested. This is one of the problems the learners are facing when they are answering a question given. So learner, we check on the question, which of the following parts of the human digestive system is correctly matched to its function? We have the choice A, organ. We have the mouth. We have been given the function to be digest proteins. Choice B, stomach. We have been given the choice as the function is secrete digestive juice. Organ C, small intestines, absorbs water. And lastly, we have the option D, which is the large intestines, which is talking about the storage of digested food. So on this question, you need first to discuss. You need to know what a digestive system is. You need to define these terms which are called the key words of the question. You need to discuss them. You need to give the meaning of these words before you answer the question. Those are what we call the key words which you must answer as the learner in order for you to get the answer of the question given. But before you do that, let's first define the terms. We have human digestive system. What is human digestive system? Learner, you must understand that the human digestive system is a tract or a tube which is running all the way from the mouth all the way to the anus. That is a large tract which is running all the way from the mouth to the anus. That is what we mean by the term human digestive system. That is a point which you must note as a learner before you answer the question on human digestive system.